Chromecast with Google TV is officially dead according to Google, so we're going to jump into the details of what this means if you own a device, as well as what the replacement means. And let me know in the comment section what you feel about this device being discontinued. So we're going to jump into the detail. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. Alright, so Google officially pulls the plug on the Chromecast with Google TV from its Google Play Store. And today I'm going to read a little bit from Android Police. Of course, I'll leave the full link to the article in the description. We all know that the Google TV streamer did release early August, packing more power internals as well as a higher price tag, which a lot of people were not happy about. With this launch, Google also killed off its Chromecast lineup more than 11 years after its official release. So if you guys remember the older Chromecast, they weren't too much of an operating system, but more of a way to cast content to your television. And then that evolved into the Chromecast with Google TV. And now we're at the Google TV streamer. Now, despite being discontinued, the company continues selling more affordable streaming sticks through its online stores in the US. So over 6 months later, it appears that Google has finally exhausted its Chromecast stock. So with that said, Google has updated its listing on the Chromecast with Google TV 4K and HD versions with no longer available. This was inevitable after the company relegated the streaming stick to Google Store's dungeon, moving them to a less visible entertainment page. 9 to 5 Google did report that Google was selling the 4K and HD versions until early last week. Now, Google discontinuing Chromecast sales doesn't make it obsolete, so keep that in mind. For you guys that own one, I own a couple Chromecasts with Google TV, different colors. The company has confirmed that it will update the streaming sticks up to Android 14, and there's no timeline for when this will happen. So even beyond Android 14, the forecast Chromecast is slated to receive security updates until September of 2025, while Google promises updates until September 2025 with the Chromecast HD. So over to the Google TV streamer, and you guys know that I did review this. Definitely check it out if you haven't done so. This is Google's answer to discontinuing the older Chromecast with Google TV models. So is the Google TV streamer worth the price? The Google TV streamer is Google's most expensive streaming stick at $100, costing twice as much as a Chromecast. But is it worth the price for its powerful internals, which include a MediaTek chipset, 4 gigs of RAM, along with a thread networking, and it does come with gigabit Ethernet. This should ensure the streamer ages much better than the 4K and HD models. Now, besides the high price tag, the Google TV streamer has a set-top box design, unlike the dongle-shaped Chromecast. So let me know in the comment section, do you prefer the set-top box design where it's meant to be displayed, I guess, put on a shelf where you can look at it, or do you like the older design where you just stick it behind your TV, keep it out of sight, out of mind? Drop that in the comment section, let me know. So despite some limitations like missing HDMI cable in the box and Wi-Fi 6 support, the Google TV streamer delivers an experience that Chromecast would never do. The older Chromecast always felt limited due to its slow internals and limited storage space, and the Google TV ships with a better remote, featuring a built-in Find My Remote support and customizable buttons as well. So with all that said, let me know in the comment section what's your thoughts on Google discontinuing the Chromecast. So for me, I know that there are better devices out there. Like, I rather go towards the On 4K Streaming Pro, which does have Google TV as well as USB ports and everything else that neither the older Chromecast with Google TV or the new Google TV 4K streamer has. And I just think the On is a better buy. However, if I was Google, I would like to keep both categories, maybe 2 different tiers, the Google TV streamer and then the Chromecast with Google TV, half the price. That way you have the lower end and the higher end, and you can kind of have something for everyone in different budgets. But that's my thoughts. I will continue to use the Chromecast with Google TV. Great for taking it on the road. It's very portable. Still works well in my opinion, but it just doesn't have as much horsepower as the newer devices in this lineup. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.